Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on ShopPay account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in shop.app and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to log into your ShopPay account, and once you're signed in, from the main homepage, click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner and click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, this will then open up your account interface. From the bottom of the screen, click on the English option, and with this drop down, you will be able to see a list of available language options for the account. Click on one of the language you'd like to change to, and this will then change your display language to something else of your preference. You can also come back to the same option and get back to the English language, which is the default language of your choice, and then get back to the other language that you want to change to. So that is how you can easily change your language on ShopPay. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.